I am in the process of making a sewing box for my wife. Video for the sewing box will be coming soon. The plans call for a hinge top. I always seem to have issues whenever dealing with hinges, so I regularly make boxes with lift-off lids. But that doesn't mean I never do hinges. This time I am making a wooden hinges that is the subject of this video. I started out by cutting the recesses for the barrels and knuckles of the hinge. Since this is my first time of making wooden hinges, I made a mistake and cut too deep of a recess, but it didn't cause that much of a problem in the end. This was my second attempt at making these hinges, and I learned that I should assemble the hinges and then drill the holes for the pins. So after refining the hinge fit, I taped them together and then made sure I had a good 90-degree to my drill press and then drilled them out. This worked out much better than my previous attempt. This is an unfortunate camera angle. It looks like my hands are precariously close to the blade, but trust me, they are not.
I'm here for you, baby.
Luckily, an hour later, I went ahead and removed the clamps and tried out the hinge. I nearly glued this lid shut. That would have been bad. Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.